Welcome to What All Is That? And then I'm going to show you the Disney Dogs mystery bag clip. There's Lucky from 101 Dalmatians, Little Brother from Mulan, Pluto from the various Mickey Mouse shorts, the Tramp and Lady, or Lady and the Tramp from, guess what, Lady and Tramp? The original one, not the... Max, no, not Max from Goof Troop, this Max from The Little Mermaid, the original. Doug from Pixar's Up. Bolt from Pixar's Bolt. Copper from... I forgot where Copper was from. Let me look at Copper. Oh, Copper was from The Fox and the Hound. Okay. And two mystery dogs. Even though I can make out one of them, I don't know. The dog. Oh. Yeah. The mystery one, it's Nana from Peter Pan. But I can't make out this, I can't know. I couldn't recognize Nana. It isn't weird. Is Nana from Peter Pan a boy dog or male dog? Oh, it's a female dog, so. A collie to be exact. Okay. I got Copper from The Fox and the Hound. I never grew up watching this film. I never grew up watching this film when I was young, whether it be on VHS or DVD, but I do know the plot about a fox and a hound being friends when they grow up. It's a movie about a fox and a hound when they were young. They were friends when they were young, but then they grew up to be enemies. I'm not sure if the fox was taken care of by an old lady. The Fox and the Hound. Okay. It's an unlikely friendship between fox, hound, and hunter who grew up to be natural mates basically to confront their instincts and bond. Okay, it was released on July 10th. Like, yeah, maybe that's why. But still, the color and detail is first rate. I never seen it, but I will probably do a jaded review, but sometime. Anyway, that was the Disney's Dog Mystery Bag Clip. Bye.